Hello, it's Martin from Australia Towbars Performance. Today we've worked on the 2018 Volkswagen Transporter T6, where we installed a detachable, invisible factory OEM Towbar. It's a quick release, so it's very easy to remove, and it's invisible removed. I'll show you roughly how it works. So we've got a Towbar here on the ground. I've disconnected it a moment ago. And if you want to connect it up, you locate a hole, and that's how it's mounted. It's not lower than the rest of the car. It's the same height as your spare wheel. The electrics, factory electrics, go here. It's a 13-pin plug. If you wish to remove the Towbar for whatever reason, you just pull the gooseneck and the Towbar comes out. If you need any premium German engineered Westfalia Towbars, feel free to contact Australia Towbars Performance. Thank you for watching.